directly across the street, mastering the preposition opposite. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of prepositions of place, specifically focusing on the word opposite. By the end of this video, you'll master how to use opposite when referring to being directly across from something. Let's get started. The word opposite as a preposition is used to indicate a position facing something or someone, or across from it. It can describe situations where two things are directly in front of each other, usually with a road, path, or space in between. For example, you might say, "The coffee shop is opposite the bank," which means the coffee shop is directly across the street or space from the bank. Now let's explore some practical examples. Remember, opposite is generally used when there is a clear line of sight between the two objects. The bus stop is opposite the post office. She sat opposite me during dinner. In each example, opposite is used to describe a position that's directly across from another. While using opposite, a common mistake learners make is confusing it with in front of. Remember, in front of does not imply that there is a road or a path in between, but opposite usually does. For example, if there's a tree in front of your house within your garden, you'd say, "The tree is in front of my house." You wouldn't use opposite here because there isn't a path between your house and the tree. To better understand and remember the usage of opposite, let's do a quick exercise. Try to form sentences using opposite with these clues. The library and the supermarket. Her friend and her at lunch. The cinema and the park. Well, that's all for today, learners. We hope you now feel more comfortable using the preposition opposite. Remember, it's all about practice. So, try to use this preposition in your day-to-day conversations and writings. Stay tuned for more English learning videos, and until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.